Creak open slow. Kitty whispers, is someone there? Wind drip dress run everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, that never stops. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, hey, slow down. But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, that's kinda cool. Gulch just laughs, welcome to school. Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, I'm your friend. Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Cute! Witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, what a school I've been. Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play. Oh no, our numbers are hiding in Kittyland. Kitty can't find them, can you help? Let's play peekaboo and find all the numbers. Mr. One, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, said peekaboo, I found you, number 1. Mr. Two, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 2. Mr. Three, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 3. Mr. Four, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 4. Mr. Five, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 5. Mr. Six, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 6. Wow. Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 7. Mr. Eight, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 8. Mr. Nine, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 9. Mr. Ten, where are you? Here I am, can you find me? Kitty looks around so carefully, see peekaboo, I found you, number 10. Kitty found all numbers today. Peekaboo game, let's all play. to 10, we had fun way. Counting adventure is done. Everyone's here. Let's celebrate. Hey, let's dance. Ding ding bell, school is near, but something spooky appears right rear. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, step, step,